Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a foolproof way to collect and organize client or project requests inside Clickup, you're in the right place. In this full 2025 guide, I'll walk you step by step through creating your own intake process using Clickup forms. By the end of this video, you'll be able to streamline data collection and keep everything neatly organized without the stress. Let's dive in. First, log into your Clickup account. To keep things simple, I recommend using the Sign In with Google option, especially if you're managing multiple accounts. Once you're inside, head over to your dashboard and choose the specific list where you want all the submitted form data to land. This is super important because keeping responses tied to the right list helps you stay organized and avoids confusion later on. Now, let's create your form. Inside your chosen list, navigate to the Views tab and select Form New. This will open up the form builder where all the magic happens. Clickup gives you a couple of starting points. You can either use a pre-built template like the project intake form, which saves tons of time, or you can start from scratch. And if you already have a form you want to tweak, just enter edit mode to make updates. This is where you can change question formats, adjust instructions, or even style your form so it matches your brand. Next, let's customize. Click Add Question to include any fields you need. Clickup offers a wide variety of field types: text, multiple choice, drop-downs, checkboxes, and more, so you can collect exactly the kind of information you want. For example, you could use text fields for names, drop-downs for project types, or multiple choice for budget ranges. Here's a pro tip: keep your form simple but complete. Ask only the questions that are essential to your workflow. This keeps clients from feeling overwhelmed and ensures you only collect the data you actually use. Once your form is set up, you can share it directly with clients, teammates, or anyone who needs to fill it out. Every submission will automatically create a new task inside your list, which means no more chasing information through emails or spreadsheets. And that's it. You've just built an efficient intake process using Clickup forms. With this setup, your requests are captured, organized, and ready for action the second they come in. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Clickup and productivity hacks. And let me know in the comments, what type of intake forms are you planning to build first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.